There's been a lot of talk about how persistent inflation has shown itself to be. You were pretty early on, at least among Fed members, of saying, don't get too ahead of yourselves in talking about cutting rates. A lot's changed, at least from the data that we've gotten over the last, 3 months or so. Has that changed your view as well about staying where we are?
Well, the second half of 2023 surprised us at how rapidly inflation fell. That was really good news, and the economy remains strong. We all hoped that was going to continue. The first quarter of this year, it seems like it's stalled out. So it's a little too soon to declare that we're definitely stalled out, or maybe it's just taking more time. I think we're in a good place right now. Labor market is still strong. We can take our time to get more data to see if disinflation is going to continue. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, then we need to take that on board.
What is the complexion right now of disinflation? What actually drove us, at least down to the level where we're at right now?
Most of the gains that we saw last year were supply side improvements. Supply chains getting better, Americans coming back to work, a lot more workers entering the labor force. That's really positive. I don't think monetary policy actually brought demand down that much. And so most of the gains were because of the supply side. Now the question is, if monetary policy has to take us the rest of the way there, is it tight enough to do that? I wrote an essay today on our website raising that question, and I'm not sure how tight monetary policy is. We need more data to assess it.
How do we know that the disinflationary process has still some ways to go? Or how do we know that maybe this is it? This is the new normal?
Well, it's not the new normal because it's 3%, and the Fed can and will achieve 2%. The question is, if disinflation is still underway, then maybe it'll continue on its own, and we can then take that on board. If we need to hold rates where they are for an extended period of time to tap the brakes on the economy, or if we even needed to raise, we would do what we need to do to get inflation back down.